Hello guys, this is our digital timer. So the digital timer is now is the set is October 16, 24, but this one is November. So we have to set the present time. This is the present time. We go 1 program, 2, 3. Then we have to press the OK. So we have to set this one. 16 now is 16. Then this one must be 11. Then 24. 16. Now is 14, 21. Now it's okay. So when you see the previous time, we have to click menu, then plus, then okay. That is the previous the set time 5:30 in the morning. Then the on time is 16:40. Then to same that one until 7 because weekdays is Monday to Sunday. Then okay. When you need to set another time, so you go to menu, then press this program, you okay. Then modify if you need to set new, if you modify the set time, then okay. Then this is the off time 5:30. Have to okay. That is 5. If you need to 4:30, you can press. Then okay, 5:30. Then this is the on time 6:40. Then you press if you need to change, you press only. Then 16 if you want 17, 5:40 you can press additional. But the time is 6:40. Our set time. Then okay. Then okay. Now it's working. But we need to set the new present time because now is 16:23. So we have to set 24. So that's all guys. When coming 24 we have to set okay. Okay, thank you for watching.